Inspire Internship, a Science Camp 2014, organized by Christ College, sponsored by DST, Department of Science and Technology. Respected Principal Father Joseph, Father Benny, Event Coordinator Fernandez Madam, members of the staff and dear students. A very good morning to all of you. In the beautiful words of Vannevar Bush, science can give mankind a better standard of living, better health and a better life if mankind in turn gives science the sympathy and support so essential to its progress. So we are here gathered to support the progress of science so that it will shape our life in a better way. Today we have with us Dr. Hari Om Watts, and I'm glad to brief you about his prestigious credentials. It's an honor to have you here, sir. Dr. Hari Om Watts is a course director, Space Science, CSSTEAP, Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. By education, he is a PhD from Gujarat University with the topic Irregularities in the Upper Atmosphere. He's done his post-graduation in physics from Meerut University. In the area of specialization, his area of specialization is experimental and theoretical aspects of scintillation phenomena, solar rotation, solar wind and solar activity. In the research corner, 4 students has done his PhD under his belt, while one is pursuing. Sir has evaluated 18 PhD theses and 140 scientific papers. In the area of publication, Sir has 110 publications in peer-reviewed journal and has delivered 247 talks in schools, colleges and in universities in India and abroad. Sir has also worked on a collaborative research programs at UC San Diego, USA, KSRC Japan, INPE Brazil. With reference to his achievements, he has translated 8 space science comic books in Hindi for school children. These books were published in ISRO and are also available on the website. He has organized a shadow band campaign and prepared 300 teams of students, teachers and amateur astronomers along the path of totality for the eclipse of 22nd July 2009. And he has also been awarded with Indira Gandhi Prize for popularization of science in 2014. And today, Sir is going to talk on visitors of the solar system and their importance and experiments and observation to learn basic concepts. Before I invite Sir to deliver the talk, I request Dr. Savan Makadia to present a bouquet of flowers to Sir.
Thank you very much for such a nice introduction, and I'm very glad to be here with all of you and try to do make some discussion, do some experiment, learn about some simple things that we do and at PRL. In fact, Rajkot is a I come to Rajkot quite often, and it must have been my several 25-30 visits to this place, and I had been to this college also, I think twice before, and I always enjoy the hospitality of Rajkot people and the students and the interaction with the students. What I had planned today to do, there are 2 things. One is to talk about comets, the visitors of solar system, on which there are some slides. We had done some work and in PRL on that, and learn something about it. The other thing that I also want to do is that there are some simple experiments for which the material is already here, and I will make students do those experiments here. For you to do, every one of you doing that experiment will be difficult, but maybe one or two students I will call on the stage, they do the experiment, and then we will try to learn the science of it, or the physics, the concept that we have in it. So maybe we start with the experiment to start with, and then at the end we will see these slides and learn about a little bit about the comics. So in the meantime, this material gets there. Let me talk about one more thing which I enjoy interacting with the students, is that I'm sure every one of you must have traveled by train, right? When you travel by train and look outside, when the train is moving, and you look outside from the window, you will realize that the train is not moving, but the objects that are by the side, they are moving in the backward direction. And if you do little more careful observation, the objects that are close by, they move very fast. But the objects that are slightly far away, they move slightly slower. Further far away, further slow. Further far, slow and slow. If that slowness keeps on increasing, the objects that are there very far away, like there is a mountain, or there is a temple, or there is a tree very far away, or there are clouds, or sun, moon, or stars are there, they move with you. They run with the train in the same direction as the train is moving. If the train starts moving in the opposite direction, then they will also have that opposite. Why does that happen? Can someone tell me that? So, like suppose I am moving in this direction, then all the train is moving this way, the objects are moving in the backward direction. But the very far away objects, they appear as if they are coming with us. Does someone know the answer to this? Why this happens? Yes? पास वाले बहुत तेज चलते हैं पीछे, और दूर वाले धीरे धीरे चलते हैं, और बहुत दूर वाले अपने साथ चलने लगते हैं। तो ऐसा मतलब ऐसा अनुभव होता है जैसा कि पृथ्वी ऐसे घूम रही है इधर, और दूसरी तरफ इस तरह से घूम रही है, ऐसा महसूस होता है। केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करें। हाँ, तो ऐसा लगता है कि जो पास के थोड़ा सा पास के ऑब्जेक्ट हैं वो बहुत तेज पीछे को जा रहे हैं, थोड़ी दूर के भी पीछे को जा रहे हैं, पर थोड़ा धीरे से जा रहे हैं, और दूर के और धीरे से जा रहे हैं। बहुत दूर के यदि ऑब्जेक्ट देखोगे तो वो अपने साथ साथ चल रहे हैं, ट्रेन के साथ साथ, दोनों तरफ के, इधर के भी और दूसरी तरफ के भी। तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? देखो, ना तो पास वाले चल रहे हैं, ना दूर वाले चल रहे हैं, वो तो सबके सब स्थिर है, चल तो केवल अपनी ट्रेन रही है। फिर हमें ये आभास एक किसी का पीछे को जाने का लग रहा है, किसी का तेज जाने का लग रहा है, किसी का कम तेज जाने का, फिर दूसरे का अपनी तरफ को जाने का आभास क्यों होता है? ये इसका आंसर वैसे काफी सही है कि एंगल जो बनता है, जैसे मैं यहाँ से चलूं और जो यहाँ से कोई मुझे ऑब्जर्व करे फ्रंट सीट पे बैठा हुआ, तो उसका यहाँ से जाते हुए बहुत बड़ा एंगल बन जाएगा, 180 जैसा बन जाएगा। और पीछे की सीट लाइन में जो बैठा हुआ है वो मैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक चलूंगा तो उसका एंगल केवल 30 डिग्री चेंज होगा। जब मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ और वो देख रहा है मुझे, मैं वहां जाकर खड़ा हो जाऊंगा तो उसको अपनी गर्दन केवल 30 डिग्री घुमानी पड़ेगी, बहुत कम घुमानी पड़ेगी। और यही यदि हॉल बड़ा होता, इससे दुगना होता, तो ये और छोटा हो जाता, और आधा हो जाता, और मान लिया 10-20 गुना बड़ा होता तो 1-8 डिग्री रह जाता। इसीलिए जो दूर की चीजें हैं, जैसे हम यहाँ से कॉलेज से चले और यहाँ से राजकोट भी पार कर दे तो सूरज अपने साथ साथ जाता हुआ दिखाई पड़ता है। भले सूरज पश्चिम की तरफ को जा रहा है और हम पूरब को चले तो भी सूरज ऐसा लगेगा जैसे हमारे साथ साथ पूरब की दिशा में जा रहा है, या उत्तर को चले तो उत्तर की दिशा में जा रहा है। उसका कारण क्या है कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट बहुत दूर है और हम जो दूरी तय करते हैं उस दूरी में इनका कोण जो बनता है, इनका जो कोणीय परिवर्तन या एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट, वो बहुत छोटा होता है। जिसका छोटा होता है वो बिल्कुल नहीं चलता, ऐसी बात होती है। पर चूंकि अभी अपनी ट्रेन चल रही है, जब ट्रेन तेज गति से चलती है तो उसके लिए स्टेशनरी ऑब्जेक्ट वो होगा जो उसी गति से हमारी तरफ को चलेगा।